Duffy, old pal. Sit up. Roll over. Lay dead. Good dog. Now speak. Good dog. What a pal. Now go get me the evening paper.
So, stealing newspapers, eh? Come along with me. Shut up, you ugly mutt, or I'll come over and beat you up. Dog, you want a bone? Sit up, roll over, play dead, speak. From the golden... Oh!
Where did that little dog go to? Here, Duffy.
Come back here!
How do you do, mister?
Hey, you got a dog in there?
Why, yes, I have.
Well, give it to me.
One dog coming up. And here's the mustard. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Woody Woodpecker Show.
Oh, boy. I'm gonna get a good seat. That guy's funny.
But first, a message from our sponsor. Don't go away.
This little guy kills me.
Have you tried Mother Goose gooey gooseberry pie? Rock-a-bye baby on a treetop.
Shh. Pardon me, little mother. Ouch!
Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop.
Coochie-coochie-coo. Yeah! Get out of here! Now I gotcha.
Come on, Duffy, let's go. Hey! Hey!
I'm stuck. Get me out of here. I give up. I quit. Call off your dog. I don't want to take him.
Sit up. That's good. Roll over. Speak.
Wow, wow.
Drop dead. Good dog.